Hey, it's Kyle with Alleycat Electronics. I have a 2005 Toyota. It's a regular cab pickup truck here. Of course, this is the Tundra. And once again, regular cab. This is a super base model. I think the options on this thing were factory AC and CD player, automatic. So on this vehicle, of course, we'll start right there. I've added a Rostra cruise control. Pretty slick item. Nearly, I'm not going to say it's completely plug and play, but nearly plug and play on a vehicle like this. I believe there's a couple jumpers that run from under the column over there. I'm not here to tell you how to do any of the things that I do. I'm here to tell you that these are things that you can do to your 2005 Toyota Tundra. So this thing had no power locks, no power windows, no cruise, and of course no remote start. So I've added remote start. I've added keyless, so this guy can lock and unlock his doors. And the keyless, I went ahead and just used some universal door lock actuators. I believe directed, heavy duty. I don't remember part number, don't have that memorized. And on this particular vehicle, this is the main reason I'm doing this video here, is this Toyota had the manual crank windows. And when I've kind of done this in stages, and what I wanted to look at when I did the door locks, because he asked about the power windows, and I said, let me look at the inside of the door. And I looked at that piece right there, the regulator, and that was obviously a crank one. And from what I could tell, the mounts were identical on that regulator right there to the OEM power window regulator. So I actually put original equipment power window regulator assemblies in both these doors. And very simple as far as that part goes. Of course, like I said, I'm not here to teach you how to wire anything, and I used one of my company's power window switches, did a double switch on this side, single switch on that side, and I was able to do it where the factory crank location was. Of course, crank this truck up and you'll see, boom, works like factory, like amazing. Same over there, switch over there works for his wife or friend or whoever's in the vehicle. And I'm not going to answer a whole bunch of questions on how I wired that and list part numbers or anything, but I'm wanting to tell you guys that if you have an 05 Tundra, you can get for this cab. Make sure you shop for the right cab, because I'm sure there's different power window regulators for different ones, but the door, the holes, everything's there for the factory power window regulator. Buy an aftermarket switch kit. I wouldn't think I would waste my time trying to locate factory parts. I think that'd be a joke. And with this particular vehicle, I can assure you there is no wires ran into the doors for power locks. There's no wires ran into the doors for power windows. There is wires the door for a speaker, and there's wires back here for a factory light that is not on this since it was even more base model. So yes, there's two extra wires. Well, there's probably a door trigger too up there in the lock mechanism. So at any rate, 2005 Tundra, if you want to add power windows to it, that's the best tip I can give you. Use the factory window regulators. I like the aftermarkets for certain jobs where they're not available, but anything like this where I could figure out that the factory ones will work, you're going to win on longevity and ease of installation, of course. Thanks, guys.